One thing that you'll see, particularly on Squarespace websites, I've noticed it at least, is when you hover over an image on someone's website, there's the Pinterest logo. And that just means that you can share that on Pinterest or you can pin it or whatever. I don't know what the verbiage is because I don't use Pinterest, but I know that a lot of people use it and a lot of people find it useful. So I'm going to show you how to either disable it if you don't want it, enable it across the whole website, or enable on just blog posts. It's super simple. There's just one toggle and then a couple of customization options. So we should be able to blast through it in about a minute. Super simple. All we need to do is head into settings down here in your dashboard, and then we're going to locate Pinterest save buttons. And just to show you before and after, when I hover over an image, nothing, no share icon, nothing like that. So let's go into settings. We'll go to Pinterest save buttons, and then all we've got to do is either enable for blogs, which can be a good option, or enable for blogs, pages, and products. So if you do blogs, pages, and products, you're going to get the following. So size, you can do small or large, and it's going to show you the example down here. And then the shape is going to be circular or rectangular. Let's go with rectangular, and then we're going to save. And you can see, if I just quickly refresh the page, we now have our hover state. Now, personally, I think this looks pants. I just don't like it. That's why I've got it disabled. But I think it can be good on blogs because it just offers more shareability to your blogs. And just because I've said that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and enable it just for blogs, and we'll keep it small and rectangular. Now, if we refresh again, and then we go to hover, you can see now there's nothing. But then if we go into my blog, and then let's just say we go into, let's go into this one. This was a popular video. And by popular, I mean like 50 views, but, you know, still helpful. Let's get one with the image in. Here we go. So you can see now, when the user hovers, we got our save icon up here. Lovely jubbly. So I think it can be useful. I've just convinced myself in this video to add it to my blog. So if you want to do yours, that's how you do it. Hopefully that was helpful. If it was, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.